please be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel.
Hello, I'm Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and today we're in our Derry store location talking with John Cameron, the New England Territory Manager for Pentair. We're going to go over some of the new parts and some of the latest crazes in the industry. Well, hi John, thanks for being here.
Hey Ken.
One of the best
Thanks
sellers
for
that
having
we
me.
have here are our variable speed pumps. Would you be able to give us some information about those guys?
Sure, absolutely. Well, there's a new regulation coming in July of 2021 from the Department of Energy that all pumps that are 1 horsepower and above need to be variable speed. So anticipating that, Pentair has a wide range of variable speed pumps that I'd like to show you.
Please.
So, in the entry level of our variable speed family is a 1.5 horse power pump. It's the Super Max for Sta-rite and Super Flow VS for Pentair. It's a variable speed pump. You're going to save about 80% over your energy costs from a single speed pump that's a 1.5 horse. The next step up in the variable speed family is the IntelliPro pump for Sta-rite, and it's IntelliFlow pump for the Pentair pump. So some of the features of this pump is that you're going to save 90% over the cost of running a single speed pump. Wow. So there's considerable savings. Both pumps are going to pay you back, basically. In the variable speed family, they always say running the pump longer is better than running it at a shorter period of time.
Sure.
So if you normally run your pump at 8 hours, this family of pumps, you're going to run 18 to 24 hours a day. You're actually going to save money by doing that.
Well, John, I can barely hear this pump running.
It's funny that you mentioned that, Ken. You know, when we first came out with these variable speed pumps, we brought them to market for the first time. We used to get calls, and we still do to this day, to tech support about people calling and saying, hey, my pump isn't working. You know, they're used to hearing that loud chainsaw-like pump noise that we all kind of grew up with. Well, we send a guy out there to take a look at it, and it's just a matter of it being so quiet that it's less than depending on how high you're running it, less than rain hitting a umbrella, for instance. So it makes for happy neighbors.
Well, John, I really appreciate you coming down today.
Thanks for having me. I enjoyed it.
Excellent.
Thanks for watching.